Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be sharing this fun and quick press-on nail set that I did do for my shop. I will always have my shop linked down below in the description for you as well. So I did say that The Nightmare Before Christmas is like one of my favorite movies to watch, especially around this time and Christmas time. So I figured, why not do a set based around the characters of the movie. So if you'd like to see how I came up with this, keep on watching. Okay, so for this Nightmare Before Christmas inspired nail set, I am gonna use only one color. So when I tell you guys that this set is actually pretty straightforward and easy to do, anyone can do this as long as you have the colors or similar colors and know how to do some stamping and whatnot. Anyway, so I will be going in with Universal Black. Honestly guys, this has become my favorite black to use. It is so easy and smooth, and there's like no issues with application at all. I forgot to tell you guys that just to not have the video so long this time, I actually have already gone ahead. I prepped the tips. I applied my base of my light Elegance Extreme to give the nail just a bit more thickness. So all of that was done off camera, but if you guys like to see that stuff, I don't have a problem filming and editing it in for you. Just let me know. Okay, so this is just one coat, but I am going to go in with a second coat just because it's just something that I like to do. So I am just going to go in with one more coat of Magic Gel's Universal Black on all the nails and then put them into cure. And then once that's done, we'll go ahead and get started with the Nightmare Before Christmas easy nail art. Will any of you be doing anything for Halloween with your kids, or is there anything that you usually do for Halloween? Like usually I take my daughter out for trick-or-treating, and I was really excited to take my son this year as well, because obviously it would have been like his first real outside trick-or-treating, but with everything that's going on, my daughter's not going to get to go, and he's definitely not going to get to go, so I might just have to do like a little trick-or-treat kind of hunt around the house for my daughter, just so she can still have some type of fun, because COVID has really changed our lives. I mean, at first she wasn't doing so well with the adjustment, but I feel like she's doing better now, but she still has her moments where it's like, you know, she doesn't get to do anything, and you know, I do try to make sure she still has as much fun as possible, but it's just you have to be so careful, or much more careful than I'm going to be doing some stamping. I find that it is usually easier for me to stamp on a matte surface, and I even found this when I'm doing like just using regular nail polish and having to stamp on top of it. Just, I don't know, there's something about the matte background that just makes it a bit easier and smoother. So I am going to go ahead and I'm going to mattify all the nails and then cure it, going with this stamping. Okay, so for the stamping polish, I will be using these 3 polishes. These 2 are from TwinkledT. Like, again, I have a whole set of stamping polishes from them that I need to get up and share. So these ones, you don't need to be a nail tech to purchase. Actually, any of these, you don't need to be a nail tech to purchase, because these ones you can use as regular nail polish and they work as stamping polish as well. So I will be using this one, which is called No Filter. This one, the company is no longer, the lady that used to make these, she doesn't make polishes anymore, but this one is Blue Berry, and this one can also be used as regular polish or stamping polish. And I can't remember the name of this, and it's not on the bottle, so I will insert the name of this somewhere in the video for you, but I also have it linked down below as well. So don't forget that with the Ugly Duckling matte, you do have to remove the inhibition layer or the tacky layer. If not, it's just gonna look like it's still slightly shiny. Using my clear jelly Big Bling pink stamper, because my other one I have used it and used it and used it. I actually need to replace it, but I like the pink one, and it has like a sticky stamper. Unfortunately, with the sticky stamper, obviously you can't see through it, but sticky stampers are good because some plates, they're etched differently and they might be etched a bit deeply, and you just need something a bit stickier to pick up the polish with. But yep, I'll be using my pink one from now on until I get some more. I'm a stamper hoarder, I swear. Okay, so the stamping plate that I will be using is Jack, and I believe I got this off the Mundo website. Would you believe that I actually don't own a lot of Halloween stamping plates? I'm going to try to change that, so next year I have more variety and more options when it comes to Halloween nail art. It's just, I usually don't lean towards Halloween nail art, but this year I just felt like, you know, maybe I should do something. So I'm going to use this, and of course when I saw this plate, I was like, yep, all-time favorite movie, I have to get it. So I'm going to be using this Boogeyman image, this one, this Jack image, and I can never remember her name, but Sally, yeah, Sally. And I'm going to be using that Sally image. So I'm going to be working as if I was working on a client. I usually like to start from the pinky and then work up towards the thumb. I never like to go inwards, because then I feel like there's always a chance for me to smudge or mess up or something. So this is a bit thinner. Like, I like when the stamping polishes are thicker, but again, because this one is supposed to be used as a regular polish as well, it is a bit on the thinner side. So because I didn't want to leave too much space on the nail, I'm just going in with the word Halloween at the top here. And I'm going to use this full Jack image, and then I'm going to use the Sally image above. I do find that the polishes that are a bit thinner, because they're supposed to be used for regular polish as well, there is a learning curve when using them for stamping. And I know people might be like, oh, she's wasting the polish, but honestly, there's a lot in the bottle, and like again, because it is a thinner consistency, you want to make sure that the image is covered properly, so that when you do go to pick it up, you don't have any issues or any transfer problems. Next I'll be going in with the light blue that I showed earlier, and this does remind me of the color Sally, but again, you can do like so many different things for the Sally inspiration. You could do her patchwork outfit, but I was going to do something like that, but I didn't have the right colors that I was looking for. So next here, guys, Sally's gonna go right next to Jack. So when I said easy, yeah, okay guys, learn from me. Don't use these when you're stamping. Like if you have a mat, I have a mat. I was just being lazy. I didn't want to have to go get it, but don't be like me. You're probably just gonna dirty up your stuff, so use your mat. It's okay. I'm not mad. Alright, so I've gone ahead, I've done all of that. So now, when I said easy, I literally meant like it was quick and easy, guys. And sometimes quick and easy is the way to go. Like, it can still come out looking really good. So I'm just going to go in with one more coat of matte, top coat, and then I'm going to add some bling to 2 of the nails. The dispersion layer, and now I'm just gonna quickly apply some gems to the eyes of the boogeyman and Jack himself. So for the boogeyman, I'm gonna go in with some light Siam, because I think at some point of the movie his eyes are red, and I just figured, like, why not use just a little bit of bling. So I'm just going to pour these in here just so I can get the small ones that I'm looking for. And I will be using my ugly Duckling Stick It to adhere the crystals to the nails. So I literally don't need a lot. And I'll just be using my crystal katana. And funny enough, I actually found this at Michael's, and I was really shocked when I went in and saw it there. actually need to purchase some more Swarvoski crystals, guys. I'm running low, but eventually. And for Jack, since Jack is like, his eyes sockets are bigger, I am gonna use like 2 different size ones. Here's the final look of my Nightmare Before Christmas press-on nails. Let me know, guys, what are your thoughts? Have you ever watched this movie? Like I said before, I watch this movie twice a year, Halloween and Christmas time. It is just a childhood favorite of mine, and it just reminds me so much of the times that my mom and I used to go to the movies when I was younger. So it will always have a special place in my heart. I'm pretty sure I drive my daughter crazy with this movie. So if you like when I do like sets like these, let me know and I'll continue doing them. If you have any sets you'd like me to try and create, or any ideas or any color schemes or anything like that, let me know down below. As always, I will have all the products I used listed down below, and I'll also have it known which ones you need to have a license to purchase and which ones you can just purchase without having to be a nail tech. As always, guys, thank you so much for sticking tuned and watching my channel. As always, do give this video a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will be notified when I do post more content. As always, guys, stay glamorous.